This is Two Skis Walking to a R. I'm Brian.
I'm Ray. There's a little confusion as to who was supposed to introduce that one. What's this one about? Oh, this is adding columns to a data frame. Right. So I already have a data frame in here that we used in a previous vignette, so we can look at what that is. It's just got some made-up greenhouse data. And say I want to log transform the biomass and make a new column that is log transformed biomass.
Sounds like that's something that might be useful.
It is something that might be useful. It's actually really easy. You type the data frame name and then a $sign, and these are all the existing columns. If you write any other, something that's not here, it's going to make a new column with whatever you type. So in this case, I'm going to type log biomass.
So just a word of warning, when you're doing this, if you use an existing column and you put an assign function to that existing column, it will replace your column.
Right.
So
we'll do that at the end just for fun.
Let's do that at the end.
Okay. All right, so this would be the proper way to do it. So then I would take log, let's do log, like natural log or log 10?
Log 10.
Log 10, okay. Of our biomass. $sign and biomass grams. So right now you can see that we have 7 variables. After I run this line, it jumps to 8, and we can click on this and verify that that worked. Yeah, there's our log biomass column.
So using our code from previous examples in our vignette, can we just do another way to explore our data set, maybe with head or with summary, just to see if that works for us, and it will put that information right into the console below.
Okay.
So you can now see here that we have the log biomass of the min value, the mean, the max, and we still have that 1A that's in NA that's in there.
Yep. There it is. So if I had messed this up and say, all right, I'm going to copy that and paste it here. So here, let's reload the data frame. So I'm going to start back with the 7 variables. Okay, and if we look at this again, remember biomass is like, the first value is 2.4, right? If I accidentally overwrite that column with the log version of it, I have not added a new column, and look, the biomass now is the log of the previous one. It's probably a bad idea to do this.
It's a really bad idea. It's that circular coding which will get you into a bunch of trouble.
Yep.
Because if you keep hitting run.
Oh yeah, let me run that
you'll
again.
You'll end up getting different values every time.
What? Look, it went crazy. Oh, and if I hit it again, it's going to freak out because you can't take the log of a negative number. Right, Brian?
Correct.
Oh, no.
And now we have some warnings.
Oh, God, it's terrible.
So the lesson here is when you're coding and you're making new columns, just being sure to not duplicate one of those existing columns.
Yep.
And this will make your life a lot better.
There we go. There, I put it back to right. Okay.
But since we have our raw data stored in a CSV file, if we happen to make one of those mistakes, we're not actually changing the original data.
Right.
So we can just go back and re-import that file and then put everything back to scratch.
Yep, that's what I just did while we were chit-chatting.
Great.
Cool. Okay. Anything else we got to say?
I think that's it.
Then let's stop talking.